All right, let's continue now with this story. According to Mozambique's state-owned broadcaster, 4 people have lost their lives and 1 person has been injured as Storm Filipo struck Inhambane province. Schools and residential areas and homes have suffered from roof damage, while the waves in the tourist areas of Tofo and Barra have destroyed several boats. In some regions, the roads have become inaccessible. The local authorities report that the storm has disrupted electricity supply and communication lines. Now, for the latest, let's now speak to Naemi Heita. She's the head of IFRC in Maputo, the country cluster delegation for Mozambique and Angola. Thank you so much, Naemi, for your time. Just paint a picture for us in terms of the extent of the damage where you are in Maputo, as we hear, of course, that 4 people have lost their lives as a result of the storm.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon to you and your viewers. Yes, we had Tropical Storm Filipo that swept across 5 provinces in Mozambique, and its entry was in Inhambane province, and it proceeded to Sofala, Gaza, Inhambane, Maputo city, and Maputo province. And this is the storm which really came in with strong winds, as well as heavy rains in all the 5 provinces that I have just referred to earlier. What is the damage to date? According to the preliminary assessment report that we have received from the Disaster Management Authority of Mozambique, the assessment that they have conducted together with the partners, so far it indicates that over 14,000 people have been affected. There are also reports of deaths, like you have just mentioned. Quite a number of houses have been destroyed. We have reports of about 1,420 houses that have been partially destroyed. About 129 houses have been totally destroyed. And definitely the storm did not spare damages to schools and health centers, as well as the roads have also been impacted. This is just like I've indicated, preliminary information that we have been able the government and its partners have been able to gather. It's still early days, especially for some of the areas that are not accessible. So the multi-sectoral assessments are ongoing for us to understand the extent of the damage of this storm.
So it is very likely then that you actually will see more damage in some remote areas. As we are hearing about, that some roads are inaccessible, and of course that there's been a disruption of electricity supply as well as communication lines. Just talk to us about how then this hampers on rescue efforts, and just give an indication of what some of the urgent needs are then to the people as these mop-up operations continue.
There is quite a good level of preparedness in Mozambique. I should commend the government of Mozambique and its partners. And from our side, as the Red Cross, we also invest quite a lot in preparedness effort. Our volunteers have been on the ground even before the storm landed, making sure that people understand early warning messages that were being issued, supporting with the preparation of relocation centers and the distribution of critical items that have been mobilized to date. And with storms or events like this, definitely the immediate needs of people affected. Definitely, it's always shelter items, People need items such as blankets because, like we're saying, some houses are completely destroyed. So people need support with blankets, they need support with mattresses, they need support with water purification agents just to prevent outbreak of diseases. And they also, mosquito nets also very important. So these are some of immediate needs that the people that are affected are in need of. And like I'm saying, we are yet to understand the extent of the needs of the affected people. And as soon as the multi-sectoral assessment are concluded, definitely we'll have clearer needs clearer understanding of what are the specific needs of the affected communities.